Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the passwords and security. Then let's scroll down a little bit to find the privacy and then scroll down to find more security settings. As you can see here, we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. And almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option. So simply tap on it and tap on OK. As you can see, we've got this information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What is more, we cannot tap on this option again, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen on current set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.